Rashid Raza, put your cap, otherwise I remove you.
Okay, sir.
Only 10 students are there. Where are the rest of one? Abu Bakr Uzaifa, Muhammad Umar is there, mashallah. Ashaz is there, mashallah. Abu Bakr Uzaifa, just please open your camera first. Then I start the class. Abu Bakr Uzaifa, do it fast. Okay, Muhammad Shahzad, open your mic and cameras. I'm not seeing you. Abu Dujana, Zain. Muhammad Shahzad, tell me, beta.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one thing. Up to page number 100, how many pages you have completed? Up to page number, you remember or forgot during the winter vacations? Muhammad Shahzad, tell me fast, beta.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So what? I didn't listen.
Okay, I am saying that from which page number I have to start. You remember or you forgot?
Yes, sir. Telling. Sir, that you carbon dioxide uses of oxygen. Wait, sir. Greenhouse effect.
22.
The slow oxidation. Page number 107.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Islam.
The page number 107.
107. Okay, this I have done
Yes,
slow
sir.
oxidation till
Yes,
here I
sir.
have done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uses of oxygen I also completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes.
move on. Yes.
Slow oxidation, sir. Page number 107. We have to start.
Because slow oxidation and rapid oxidation I asked Abu Duyana a question to you also on that.
Sir, we completed
Yes,
this.
Yes.
Uses of oxygen.
Start
We will
the
start
next
uses of
We
oxygen.
have to I have to start carbon.
uses.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
sir. Uses of oxygen.
Yes, sir. This we did.
I
Yes,
told
sir.
you.
We will.
Okay. We continue with uses of oxygen. Okay. Okay, uses of oxygen. Okay, so what are the uses? Mohan Umar, please tell me. What are the uses?
So it is used for breathing.
Yes.
So it is used for
Yes, sir.
breathing. For the
Okay.
plants.
Okay.
No, sir.
and-
Sir, it is used in torch for
It
welding.
help in burning.
Welding processes is used.
Yes, sir.
See, oxyacetylene torch. Okay, and another one is oxyhydrogen torch. Is it clear, beta? So these
Yes, sir.
are the two types of weldings where we use it. One in which we are using oxygen in the acetylene. We mix it with the acetylene, and in one when we are mixing with the hydrogen. And you see when you went to the shop now, so there are several types of means welding are there. One is used for iron, means welding is on the iron objects, iron materials. Another type of welding is on aluminum material or steel material. So different types of welding, not necessarily. Remember this thing, welding is of not only one kind. There are several types of welding are there. Is it clear, beta? Yasir Raza? Yasir Raza, beta, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
The thing that extraction, okay, extraction means it is a process to extract, to take out iron from its ore. So in that process, we use oxygen. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Iron from its ore.
Yes. Ore means the material from which we extract the iron. See, first point is written, it is used in the manufacture of iron and steel. Okay. And after that, in a blast furnace, oxygen is used to extract iron from its ore. Understood, Shazar beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, mashallah. Umar, you also understood beta? Anam Ghalib, open your camera, Anam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Open your camera. Asas Ahmed beta, is it clear to
Yes,
you?
sir.
Beta clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anam Ghalib beta, open your camera, otherwise I remove you. Okay, Anam Ghalib, I'm writing your name, you're not opening the camera.
Sir, wait.
Anam Ghalib, still you are not, after telling to you 3-4 times, you are not opening the camera. Okay, another topic is that within 2-3 minutes if you not open the camera, then I will write your name. Okay, renewal of oxygen. Beta Aqib Khan, please read it. Mohammad Aqib Khan, please.
Renewal of oxygen. Oxygen is renewed in the air by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their food. Recall what you have learned about photosynthesis in class 6 biology. Green plants contain a pigment called chlorophyll which traps light and breaks down water absorbed by roots into hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide taken from the atmosphere combines with water and forms glucose. The glucose formed is stored in the plants in the form of starch. Uh, Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide in its free state constitutes less than 0.04% of air by volume. Carbon dioxide gas was discovered by Jean Baptiste van Helmont. Joseph Black showed that carbon dioxide is the constituent of limestone, and Tony Lavoisier studied the role of carbon dioxide in respiration.
Okay, so means there are several renewal of oxygen. Oxygen is renewed in air by the process of photosynthesis. You all studied in the biology also that photosynthesis is a process in which green plants make their foods. You all know this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
See photosynthesis.
Yes, sir.
Process of making food. Process food making. Okay, by green plants. Is it clear? So oxygen is used there also by the plants. By the use of that, they prepare their food, and the process which is plants use for preparing the food is what's the process?
Photosynthesis.
Very good. For that,
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Sir,
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis.
okay.
Photosynthesis.
Oh, very good.
Photosynthesis.
Okay, just listen to me now. Another thing is chlorophyll. See, chlorophyll is the green pigment. You already know about that. Okay, that is present in the green leaves. Okay, which traps the light and breaks down to water, into hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide combines with water to form glucose. See here also the use of water is there. That it combines with the carbon dioxide and forms what it forms.
Glucose plus oxygen.
The glucose.
Glucose is
Sir,
prepared.
glucose and oxygen.
Okay,
Glucose plus oxygen.
glucose is present along with the O2, means O2 is there.
Oxygen. Oxygen.
Yes. So till here, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now read page number 109. Abu Dujana, you read it. Who is this? Yes,
Sir,
Mohammed Abdullah.
the carbon dioxide.
Yes, beta Mohammed Abdullah, you are asking something.
Sir, can I read?
Yes, beta.
Carbon dioxide. Sir, someone mic is disturbing. Yes. Carbon dioxide in its free state consists less than 0.04 of air by volume. Carbon dioxide gas was discovered by Jan Baptista van Helmont.
Helmont. Joseph
Helmont.
Black.
Joseph Black showed that carbon dioxide is a constituent of limestone. Antoine Lavoisier studied the role of carbon dioxide in respiration. Recall what you have learned about respiration in class 6 biology. Use the carbon dioxide. The following are some uses of carbon dioxide. In making aerated drink, carbon dioxide has dissolved in water from soda water. Soda water has a sharp and sour taste due to the formation of carbonic acid. A soft drink is
Nihal
made
Khan,
by
open your
mix-
camera. Please quiet for a second. Nihal Khan, open your camera. Abu Dujana, you also open your camera. Abu Bakr Uzaifa, open your camera. Yasir Raza. Haris Khan.
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
open. I am telling you, this is a very you can say reminder to you for last time. If I saw you that you are not opening your cameras, then immediately I'll write your names. It is mentioned that you have to open your cameras. You can turn off your mic when it was asked to open. It will be asked to open or to answer. Then at that moment you will turn on the mic. But round the class, okay, throughout the class, you should open your webcam. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Nihal,
sir.
beta, why
Yes,
you are
sir.
not open your camera?
Yes, sir.
Nihal, open your mic first of all. Abu Bakr Huzaifa, you didn't open till now. Nihal, open your mic and camera both. Finally, I am writing your name. Adnan Jamal, you also open. Okay. So Shazza, tell me, beta, what is carbon? Read this uses of carbon dioxide first of all.
Yes, sir.
Read this, Shazza, uses of carbon dioxide.
Uses of carbon dioxide.
Yes.
Sir, I have to tell.
Now you read it.
Okay, sir. Uses of carbon dioxide. The following are the some uses of carbon dioxide. In making aerated drink, carbon dioxide gas when dissolved in water forms soda water. Soda water has a sharp and sour taste due to the formation of carbonic acid. A soft drink is made by mixing soda water with sugar, color, and flavor. As dry ice. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide. It acts as a good refrigerant and is used to keep food items such as vegetables and meat frozen. Dry ice with hot water is used in producing thick, voluminous fog, which is used in creating fog effects on movie sets. In making fertilizers, carbon dioxide along with ammonia is used to manufacture of fertilizers such as urea. In cooking process, carbon dioxide is used in the manufacture of baking soda, Baking powder, a mixture of baking soda and potassium hydrogen tartrate, is used for baking purpose because it produces carbon dioxide in dough, causing it to rise. In fire extinguishers, carbon dioxide is neither combustible nor does it support combustion. Hence, it is used in fire extinguishers. In photosynthesis, green plants use carbon dioxide for carrying out photosynthesis.
Very good, beta. Now, beta, after means who is reading? The person who is reading, only that person open the mic. Others should close your mics, but don't close your cameras. Now, still, many students closes their cameras. I don't know why you are doing like this. Okay, means some strict actions necessary should be there. Yes, Novel or Nihal Khan is there or not? Novel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what you understood about the what Shazar has read about the uses of carbon dioxide. I also read the some bullet points on my screen. Is my screen visible? Beta, is my
Yes,
screen?
sir.
So tell me that why, how it is used in aerated drinks, this carbon dioxide. Tell me fast. Okay, who will explain the uses of carbon dioxide in their own language? Just raise the hands. Just raise the hand who will explain this thing. Fast.
Sir, uses of carbon dioxide.
Yes. Yes, Anam Ghalib Sheikh, you want to tell? Anam
Yes, sir.
Ghalib. Okay. Akhir Khan, you tell me please.
Sir, uses of carbon dioxide, there are many uses in making aerated drinks. Carbon dioxide gas, when it is dissolved in water, it forms soda water. And that soda water has a sharp and sour taste because of the formation of carbonic
don't
acid.
read. Don't read, Akib. Just tell what you understood when Akib, when Shazar has read this page or the uses. So everyone,
Sir, when carbon dioxide gas, sir, when carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water, it forms soda water. And that
Okay.
soda
Okay, then
water has
what happened?
that sharp and sour taste. That then it forms the soft drink with when soda water is mixed with sugar and color and flavor, it forms soft drink.
Okay, so we can say that the carbon dioxide is mixed with aerated drinks. The fish sound, which is due to the presence of carbonic acid, or which is made by using carbon dioxide. Okay, we enter the compressed CO2 carbon dioxide gas, and that the tangy taste is due to the presence of that gas. Okay, as second point we discussed, as Shazal read that as
Dry ice.
as a dry ice it is used. See what is dry ice? Yes, Anam Ghalib, tell me, beta, what is dry ice and how carbon dioxide is used there?
Sir, it is used in frozen the vegetable.
Okay, as it is there means ice, the function of ice is to freeze the things. Okay, so dry ice is also used as a refrigerant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the third point? Fertilizer, tell me. Okay, Naufal Shabib, you tell beta. Naufal,
Yes, sir.
you tell me what is fertilizer, what is the, how it is used, carbon dioxide dash.
Fertil-
Yes, Mohammad Aqib raising hand. Yasir Raza, you want? Yes, Yasir Raza, tell me.
Yes, sir.
You are raising your hand. Abu Bakar, you are raising your hand. Any problem?
No, sir. For
Okay.
telling answer.
Okay, okay. Okay, tell me who is going. Abu Dujana, you are reading. Okay, tell me, beta.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about fertilizer, how it is used. Carbon dioxide there. Another use of carbon dioxide is making fertilizers, you know.
Sir, when carbon dioxide.
See,
Yes, sir.
carbon dioxide with CO2 plus
Sir, when carbon dioxide
with ammonia. NH3 is
with
ammonia.
yes, sir.
Okay, it is
NH3
used
is
and
mixed when
fertilizers are
it
made.
entered the yes, sir. It's
Okay.
from that fertilizers such as urea.
Yes, yes, very good. And in cooking process, you all know that. Okay, tell me about cooking process also in making or manufacturing baking soda.
Sir, can you tell me what is tartarate?
What is?
Tartarate, hydrogen tartarate.
Okay, beta, this is a chemical which is used for making the baking powder. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, beta.
Sir, in cooking process, carbon dioxide is used in the manufacture of the baking soda. Now, baking soda is made with that baking powder, baking soda. The baking powder is made with the baking soda, potassium hydrogen tartrate. Now, this baking powder is used as a cook is used in the dough.
Yes,
In the
very good.
dough.
Means you can say to rise that. Okay. To
Yes, sir.
produce
To rice.
a dough.
Yes.
Is it clear? And in fire extinguishers, you all know that fire extinguishers which you are using, carbon dioxide is used is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, because
So,
it stops the burning.
to stop the burning, to extinguish the fire. And the last you already studied right now in photosynthesis also CO2 is used. On page number 108, see the equations there. CO2 plus H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and light produces glucose and oxygen. Yes, everyone seen? Yes, beta seen. Aqib, Ghalib, Anu, Ghalib share.
Oxygen.
हाँ. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till here, any problem to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir.
Okay. In the last, as I was doing earlier, also I will ask the questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So be ready. Whatever means before 5, 6, 7 minutes, I will ask the question. Yes, Abu Dujan, you are raising your hand.
No, sir. I forgot to that lower it.
Lower it. Okay. Now, beta, Anam, Ghalib, read this renewal of CO2 means carbon dioxide.
Okay, sir. Renewal,
And listen,
renewal of
quiet for a second. Stop it. Other students, listen it carefully. I will judge your performance on this basis. Everyone read, listen carefully. I will ask to any particular person to explain the paragraph. Okay? Akhir Khan, be ready. Start, beta.
sir. Can I read?
Yes, now I will start.
Carbon circulate in air in the form of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is renewed by the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is the circulations of carbon between the atmosphere, soil, waters, and living organisms. Green plant through photosynthesis form glucose using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Most animal and plant perform respiration where glucose is broken down and carbon dioxide is released. Glucose plus oxygen, presence of carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Burning of fuels burning burning of fuels also adds carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. This is how the carbon cycle is maintained.
Okay.
Green
Okay,
greenhouse effect.
leave that, greenhouse. Okay. Yes. How many? Okay. Yes, Huzefa, are you there? Huzefa, you tell me. Huzefa,
Yes, sir.
you tell me what he read. Huzefa, your face is not visible, beta. Huzefa, lower your camera. Huzefa, lower it down a little bit. Camera. Okay. Now, okay, Huzefa, sit properly. Sit properly, Huzefa. Okay, tell me what he read.
Um, said that now I am.
Huzefa, where were you when he was reading?
Said that now I have joined. I
Yes, Abu Dujana, you tell me. Read it fast, Abu Zefa. I will ask you.
Yes, sir.
Read. Oh,
Sir,
sorry.
he says,
Explain this thing.
yes, explaining. Yes, explaining. Sir, he read about carbon cycle. Sir, in this carbon circulation, the carbon is between the atmosphere, soil, and water. So as you know that all green plants taking carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen in the process of photosynthesis, they take carbon dioxide and they make glucose of that. And glucose plus oxygen forms carbon dioxide, and then the carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. So
Okay.
this till here only he read.
Okay. What is there in the burning? How it is add carbon in the atmosphere during burning? See, this equation is very important. Okay, that glucose
sir.
plus oxygen. When I will write here, glucose plus O2 will give you CO2 water and energy. CO2 plus H2O
O2.
plus energy.
Yes.
Okay, so in this way it is recycled. Another thing is that beta burning of fuels add carbon. This is very important. Means you see till greenhouse effect, which is very important to such phenomena or to taking back carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
One of the way is that by using the green plants, it is renewed CO2 in the atmosphere. Another thing is that burning. Okay. See on page 110, a figure is there. Okay. That shows the carbon cycle. Okay. So in that carbon cycle, what you observe that every respiration they are eating, okay, and again it is going to the atmosphere, photosynthesis is going on, okay, in the plants, respiration is also going on, dissolve in diffuse out of water, So in all these process, CO2 is taking back into the atmosphere. Shaza, you understood better? Like nitrogen cycle, there are several steps in the same way. In carbon dioxide also, there is a carbon cycle, and there is a method how they renew CO2 back into the atmosphere. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shazar,
Yes, sir.
Umar beta clear?
Yes, sir.
Umar, tell me, you tell about the renewal of CO2.
Sir, renewal of CO2.
Yes, Umar beta, what have you tell?
Sir, carbon dioxide in the atmosphere it circulate from the carbon
Okay.
and carbon dioxide from the if we burn the fuel, so the carbon dioxide comes and it comes to the atmosphere, and by the respiration in plants and animals, the glucose is broken down by the by the oxygen, and carbon dioxide is released. And in the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is used to form that glucose.
Okay, so is this in this way it is back to the atmosphere, and another way is burning. Okay, see, greenhouse effect, you already studied, listened also what is greenhouse effect and how it is harm our environment and how it is beneficial. Okay, everything having some advantages as well as some disadvantages. Okay, so read on page number 110 about Mohammed Zain. Read beta greenhouse effect, this para. Mohammed Zain.
Greenhouse effect, the phenomena in which the sun's heat reflected from the Earth's surface is trapped by gases in the lower atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide, and methane are the common greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The accumulation of greenhouse gases causes the atmosphere of the Earth to heat up. This is known as global warming. It may lead to the melting of polar ice caps, flooding, and unpredictable weather conditions.
Okay, so basically, beta, what happened in the greenhouse effect is that, see, means suppose that, okay, first I rub this, then I will explain it. Okay, see, this is our earth. Okay, this is sun. So when the sun radiations come over the earth, okay, due to the different layers of atmosphere, na, it is due to the layers, it is some of the heat is trapped here, and it will not get it back out of the atmosphere. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear till now? Means radiations of sun is coming over the on earth, and few of the heat is reflected back, and some of the heat is trapped. It will not 100% reflected back. Okay, that is called as greenhouse effect. Is it clear? Yes. Abu Bakr Uzaifa, Abu Dujana. Okay, greenhouse effect you understood? Means
Yes,
some
sir.
of the heat of sun is when sun is coming on the earth. Okay, some of the heat is reflected back and some part of the heat is trapped. It will not reflected. That causes the heating effect, and finally it is lead to the global warming. And is called as the trapping of heat is called as greenhouse effect. Is it clear, Mohammed Zain? Okay, I am audible.